2018 Jaguar F-Pace. Fault code U0103-87. Lost communication with gear shift control unit. Not very many wiring diagrams online for this. Came and started self-testing each one. Purple red is the constant 12 volts, which I didn't have. Started by locating the fuse, which again, not very much information online. So hopefully this helps someone in the future. Fuse for this one is FF24 15 amp. This guy right here. Fuse was good. Knowing Jags, lots of corrosion. Removed the front driver's seat. Found the same colored wire here. Did a continuity test from here to the fuse. We were good. Continued disassembling. I mean, just look at this mess. Continue going. Eventually took this part off. I don't know how water got up here. Perhaps it traveled in the harness. But we have broken pins inside of this connector. See that? And of course, a lot of nice green. Bypass the connector. Car starts, shifter lights up. I'm gonna suggest a client we just bypass this. If not, I mean, this is a big harness to replace. Anyway, problem solved.